Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today we are going to check out my very first IPSY Ultimate Box. So the IPSY Ultimate Box, aka or formerly known as the IPSY Icon Box, has, you guys know they've changed all their names. We have IPSY Original, Extra, and Ultimate. This is the Ultimate. With the Ultimate Box, you can upgrade either your original or your extra subscription quarterly. So it comes out 4 times a year. And what it will do is whatever your normal amount monthly is for your normal subscription, they will add to it to make up the cost of the Ultimate Box. The Ultimate Box, I forget if it's at 60 or 65. Honestly, I'll have to put here in the corner. But we got one. So I decided I would go ahead and give it a try. You get 8 full-size products. You get to pick 3 of them, which is amazing. This box I will tell you at the end the total value of, which is really good. I'm excited to show you. And I will give you a little history on, or not history, but give you a little information on what happened. I have the IPSY original bag every month, and I did an upgrade, and it said upgrade, and it said upgrade today to get your picks and all these things. And when I upgraded, it charged me immediately for another original bag, which I had already gotten for January. I did this the end of January. And so I had to go back and forth with, I did their chat bot, absolutely worthless. I ended up trying to do a human, which is an email. And we went back and forth like, I don't know how many times until I said, look, this is what happened. You're not understanding what happened. I have a membership. I don't want to pay for it twice. I just want to pay the extra for the Ultimate Box. And I finally got somebody to say, oh, oops, we fixed it. We'll refund you back. And I haven't actually confirmed that I've been refunded back, but I will refund you back for the extra cost of the extra original bag. And then they just added the cost of the upgrade to my monthly subscription. So if you do upgrade, watch and make sure that they don't bill you funky because it was weird. But this is my box. And if you guys are old school BoxyCharm, does this give you some BoxyCharm vibes? I wonder if you guys are not aware, IPSY absorbed BoxyCharm, and this was the BoxyCharm box style, the black box that said BoxyCharm. I wonder if they didn't have some extra boxes that they got with the acquisition and were able to print their own label over it. Well, not label, but their own logo on it. But in any case, we have one. So let's see. I haven't opened it yet. I just got home from work, and it was sitting here waiting on me. So how do we open it? Here we go. Hold on. Okay, they put like all these little sticky dots on it, and I thought I got them all, but I didn't. So now I do. Okay, so, oh, they packed it nice. So we have foam, we have a little booklet, you have a sneak peek, and this is a full box because you do get 8 full-size products. So we get our big pamphlet. It did always come with kind of a brochure. When it was the Icon Box, it was a celebrity of some kind that would curate the box and pick all the things that are in it. But I think it's just now what they put in it. So this is the spring collection. There's no product really information in here. There's somewhat. There is some product information for what I think the IPSY picks are in here. But one of them is the pick I did. So that's kind of nice. Let's see. Oh, it does have some information and a lot of things that are in my box. So that's pretty cool. Okay. So I picked 3 things. I picked that one. I picked that one. I picked that one. Okay, so we're going to start with this Tatcha, and this is the Camilla Gold Spun Lip Balm. So this is, you guys remember my scissor hack for getting your little boxes open without ripping them? It's very good. You just stick it under and pop it open. So this is actually a really cool lip balm. Tatcha is amazing. Their packaging is stellar. You have a little pull tab. How cute is that? And you get a little booklet to tell you about it. Oh, about dropped it. Don't drop it. It's so pretty. I thought it came with a spatula. It doesn't, but it does have gold spots in it. I'm sure it's not actually gold, but how pretty is that? And the Tatcha packaging. I am not going to open it because this is my sister's, but that is really pretty. I really thought it had a spatula. And it does not. Some of these come with a little spatula stuck to the top. I really thought this one did. Boo. But this is, I believe it's at a $32 value for that one. And the box is not a full $70 if it's even $69. It's like $65 or $69. So of that already, we have half of it paid for, $32 for that one. And yeah, no, the picture doesn't show a spatula either. Oh well. My other product I picked was the Makeup by Mario, and this is a Soft Sculpt Transforming Skin Perfection Radiant Skin Powder. So I have not tried this. I don't know if this is a foundation powder or a setting powder. Ooh, it's pretty. What do you see? It's kind of gradient. Look how pretty. So you can get a good range of color. You have almost a blush color, kind of a bronzer, and a highlight that you can blend and make it customized, so you can get a little bit of extra of one or the other if you want to. And I think this one does have the information for it. No, it does not. Ooh, okay, so this one doesn't. I'll find the, sorry, I shook the camera. I'll find the value for that one and stick it on the screen for you. The last one I picked was NARS, and this is the Kuala Lumpur, I believe this was blush. Does it have it in here? No. And, no, is this blush or eyeshadow? I don't remember. Let's see. Okay, it's wrapped all up in paper, but we have our pretty NARS matte finish plastic. And, oh, it was eyeshadow. Okay, this was an eyeshadow quad, but isn't that pretty? All the rose colors. You have a shimmer, and it looks like 3 mattes. So we have 1 shimmer and 3 mattes. Very pretty. And I'm not swatching any of this stuff because I honestly don't know if I'm going to be using these right away, or if ever. It's just the picks that I had to get. But these are really great products. And again, I'll put the cost here down in the corner. So now we're on to the picks, IPSY picks. So I got to pick 3. IPSY picked 5. But one of the five is a twofer, you guys. So we get, I'm going to turn it around. One of the 5 is a Charlotte Tilbury Duo Pack. So it came in this little plastic drawstring bag. So we got the Matte Beauty Blush Wand, and this is in Pillow Talk. So Pillow Talk is one of Charlotte Tilbury's kind of signature colors, and they have lipstick and liners, but now we have the blush. And then we have also this, another Beauty Light wand, and this is a high blush blush Euphorescent, I don't know. But this is the color that one came in. So that's a pretty color. So these, and actually the back panel is also the color. So you can see the colors that we got together. So we got really pretty colors. And again, these count as one item in this box. You can still sign up for the February Ultimate Box. If you do, I think you can still pick your items. If you don't, you have, these are items that IPSY picks. So they should be in everybody's boxes. So the next thing we have is a Live Beauty High Definition Gel Eyeliner. And, ooh, is it going to be those colors? That would be cool. It is! We have a blue and a pink eyeliner. How pretty. I actually did just get these colors from the Dollar Tree. I'm so sorry. I still have not done my Dollar Tree face video. I just got to do that. But I think I got the burgundy one. I'm sure I got blue. But how pretty. So these are Duo Set in shades Blueprint and Galaxy. So those are our shades, Blueprint and Galaxy. Very pretty. So that was one of the other items that IPSY picked. Another we got from IPSY choices is Kevin. It looks like a coin, but it can't be. This is a mascara in Indecent Black. That's the name on it. I'm sorry, I do not know how to pronounce. There we go. That last name. If you do, leave it in the comments and please tell me. I would love to know. Again, I do not open mascaras until I'm ready to use them because they will dry out, but I will find a picture of what the wand looks like and stick it here in the corner so you can see. But the packaging is just super basic plastic. It doesn't have a heavy weight to it. There's nothing special about how it feels. So we'll look at the formula and see what there is to know about it and what the wand looks like and what the value is, and put it here in the corner and get you some more information. But we did get a mascara. 2 things left. The next thing we have is from Rhode, and we've got Collagen Drops Replenishing Concentrate. And this is a 1 ounce size, and it's got the pretty pink top. As we go through this, let me know, because I know IPSY used to give different products depending on your profile. I would love to know if you actually get the same IPSY pick products, or if you had the same choices as I did. If you got to pick some from those same choices, let me know. But this is our Rhode Collagen Drops bottle. That's very pretty. One more thing. The last thing we have in here, is another Tatcha. This is a Tatcha the Matcha Cleanse. So we got a Tatcha Cleanse. And again, we have our pretty Tatcha packaging. And it comes with a little paper of information inside, and a really pretty, beautiful Tatcha cleanser packaging, matte plastic, very nice squeezy bottle. So, okay, I was doing this for the first round to see if it's something I want to continue doing every quarter. It just seemed like a fun thing to do. We lost our Macy's bag, so I had a little bit of subscription money to throw around and see what we wanted to do with it. So, do we want to keep getting the Ultimate Box every quarter? So we got it in February. The next one we get would be April, I think. So let me know what your thoughts are on this one. Do you want to keep seeing it on the channel? I would love to know. Have you been getting it yourself? And if you do you find it worth the money? I will say, according to the information you get after you do your picks from IPSY, this box is supposed to have a $420 value. So that's a crazy markup from what we paid for it. We got some amazing value for our $60-something for this box. So I cannot complain one bit about the cost. What we got in, an all full size, no dinky flimsy samples, nothing. All full size products for the $60-something, 8 of them. So that's crazy. So let me know. I think I like it. I think I'm probably going to keep it at least the next one. We'll see how it goes. If I start getting duds, we'll think about it. We'll rethink it. But I like it so far. I would love to help know your thoughts. If you did enjoy this video, I'd love for you to hit thumbs up on it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would love to welcome you to our YouTube family. If you want to hit subscribe and let me know you're here, I would love to say hi back at you. I do respond to every comment I get. If I missed you, it's just I didn't know it was there, and I apologize. But I do everything I can to make sure I reply to every single person that comments. And I appreciate each and every one of you who do watch and do comment, and our faithful viewers. You mean the world to me, and I appreciate it more than you know. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you for joining me. Talk to you next time. Bye.